Hi, we're here today to discuss the installation instructions for the Trail Rider 2-inch and ProFit cage. Step 1. Disassemble the 3 bolts that are connected to the universal clamp adapter on the mirror. Step 2. Open and place the clamp around the roll cage tube. Close the clamp on the tube. Step 3. Install the mirror to the clamp with the 3 bolts that you previously removed. Step 4. Rotate the mirror on the clamp so that it is level and provides the desired viewing angle. Tighten all 3 bolts to secure the clamp on the roll cage once adjustment is complete. Step 5. Adjust mirror tray by pushing the edges of the tray for final adjustment. So we've completed the installation instructions for the 2-inch round cage for the Trail Rider mirror. We're going to step on over and do the next install instructions for the ProFit cage. Step 1 for the ProFit cage, remove the 3 bolts that connect the universal clamp to the mirror. Step 2, attach the mirror to the clamps while placing both halves of the clamp around the roll cage tube. Loosely assemble them by screwing the 6 by 25 millimeter bolts, but do not tighten them all the way yet. Step 3, assemble the bottom half clamp using the 8 by 16 millimeter bolt. Tighten it all the way. Step 4, rotate the mirror on the clamp so that it is leveled and provides desired viewing angle. Then tighten the 6 millimeter by 25 millimeter bolts to secure the clamp on the roll cage once adjustment is complete. Step 6, adjust mirror tray by pushing the edges of the tray for final adjustment. Well, this concludes our installation instructions today for the Trail Rider mirror. If you have any questions, concerns, want additional product, check us out at seismic.com.